Toyota Landcruiser Troop Carrier has been around for a while. For those of you who don't know too much about its history, it began as a long wheelbase version of the FJ40 series back in the early 1960s. So since then, it's been used in many countries around the world as a people mover, military spec vehicle, recreational vehicle and a commercial vehicle. This journey has taken us to the current day today to the 78 series Troop Carrier, which is what you see behind me. We're really excited about this one, so we'll run you through it. So some really key build features for this Troopy is the Hercules Alucab roof conversion, the automatic transmission conversion, of course the Mark IV drive portals, the interior build also. Yeah, we're part the way through, really keen and excited, can't wait to get this one out, so keep an eye out for us, we'll give you a few more updates soon.